The site loads with a splash screen that leads into the home page. Here, the hero image is a carousel that displays important and changing information for the users. Clicking this button will take you to the membership page. Since the site needs to be simple for the older demographic, we decided to do a semi-single scroll homepage that covers the majority of the information that the members will need. Many of the links scroll within the homepage itself. We used a sticky button to help the user return to the top. Going through the menu, when you click on the Club Info link, it scrolls you down the page to the information section. The equipment section has railroad cars and engines that the Club Foundation has helped to restore. When you click on an equipment card, it opens an overlay with more information. Next, we go to the newsletter, which they call the Rail Report. You can read the current edition, or if you click View Archives, another overlay opens with the option to read past editions. The last in-page menu item is Donate, under the Support tab. You would click the button to bring up a Donate overlay through a third-party app like PayPal. Under Club Info, we go to Leadership, which you can see all of the officers, board members, and committee heads. Events takes us to a calendar of club events. When you hover over an event, it brings up an overlay with more information about that event. Below the calendar, more details are written out. The Rocky Mountain Railroad Foundation gives out grants to individuals and organizations in Colorado that are restoring railroad equipment. You can see the 2020 award winners in this section, and to see past winners, you can click on the card, which brings up an overlay. The News tab takes you to News and Current Events, which is more of a blog for members to add photos and posts about things going on with railroads in Colorado. At the bottom, posts would continuously load, signified by the loading animation. Under the Support tab, clicking on Memberships will take you to the Join page. When you click on a membership level, it brings up the Sign Up overlay, and Submitting takes you back to the home page. The last menu item is Contact Us, which can also be reached via the footer. Clicking on the logo, as usual, takes you back to the home page. Making the design responsive for tablet and mobile was pretty simple with the use of cards. It mostly involved shifting card placement and adjusting the size of margins and fonts. Here is the happy path for the iPad. For mobile, we had to reduce some of the cards even more. For example, the current officers is now a drop-down. Here's the happy path for mobile. This has been the Rocky Mountain Railroad Club's website redesign.